Today we will discuss about landforms created by sea waves. Coastal landforms are shaped by erosion and deposition work done by sea waves. This is also known as the marine erosion and marine deposition. So first structure, sea cliffs. When the sea waves crash against a high rocky coast, the rocks near the base, here the rocks near the base, if you can see in this picture, the rocks near the base erodes. When the rocks near the base erodes, the upper structure falls into the sea and creates a steep wall. So this is called sea cliff. Okay. Next, sea caves. Sea waves continuously strike and dissolve or break down sea cliffs into smaller pieces. Here in this picture, you can see there are few holes in the rock here. So in a rock, not every rock is hard. They are mixed with different materials and minerals. Some are harder, some are weaker. So when continuously sea waves hit them, the weaker portion gets eroded quickly. Okay, and dissolves into water. Okay, so then what happens? Now the passage becomes wider and formed cavities. These cavities develop into sea caves. Also, when after some time these two sea caves can join and make a bigger sea caves. When the middle portion gets eroded, then it creates a bigger sea caves. Next, sea arc or sea arch. When a narrow piece of land projecting into a sea is attracted by sea waves. Now, suppose there is a landform here. Now, in this landform, the sea waves are continuously hitting this landform from both sides, from right side, from left side. Then what happens? This landform gets eroded, and this portion of this landmass will be eroded, and it will create a new or narrow passage. That is called sea arc. Now with time, this landform also can be eroded. Then entire area or body will be covered with water. It can happen. So when a sea cliff is worn out and recedes inland, leaving behind a flat surface, that is called a wave-cut platform. Then we will discuss about lagoon. Sometimes sediments present in seawater get deposited as long and narrow bars on a sea bed near the coast. These are called sand bars. That type of landform also can be seen in desert areas. But their build mechanism is quite different. The enclosed part of the sea forms a saltwater lake called a lagoon. A lagoon is connected to a sea by a narrow outlet. Okay, then sea beaches. It is the depositional work of sea waves. Sediments like sand, gravel, pebbles and shells present in the seawater get deposited at some place along the coast. These deposits called sea beaches. Okay, then headlands and bay. Sometimes the coast is made up of alternate bands of hard and soft rocks. The softer rocks eroded faster, forming a bay, and harder rocks stand out as headlands. So basically what happens? If there is a sea beach created by, suppose this is hard surface, this is soft surface, again hard surface, then soft surface. So what happens now? Harder area stands against the wave, but this area gets eroded and goes inwards. Okay, this area gets eroded and goes inwards. Okay, so these are called bays, and these lands which stands, they are called headlands.